got our drywall done on our do-it-yourself home improvement project here, our kitchen remodel. Again, now that the drywall's in, we're going to try this Homax wall texture. You can pick it up at one of the box stores. Haven't used this before, so we're going to give it a try, see how it turns out. It looks and sounds and seems pretty simple, so we'll see what it does. We know that our kitchen cabinets are going to go right here, so I figure this will be a great area and way to just kind of get a test and a feel for how this sprays. So we're going to start here and then kind of move to more of the exposed walls as we get more comfortable and see how this works for us. What do you think?
Well, that mess right there is not good, but
Should we wipe it and retry it?
we can wipe it.
Alright, so I should have taken and put this on a piece of cardboard, but we finally got it dialed into the I guess the pattern that we wanted. So kind of wipe that down a little bit. Now that we got the pattern that we desire, we'll go to it. All right, we are very pleased with how that Homax texture turned out. We were going to take some pictures, a little bit of video with it on the drywall itself, but you couldn't really see. So the day after, now that we've got it painted, like I said, we're really pleased with how it turned out. Of course, everybody's going to have to cater to their own desired texture pattern, whether you want it thin, heavy. But for us, first time just using our Homax brand from Menards, worked out great. We threw some outlet covers on so it doesn't look and feel like we're living in a construction zone anymore. But there you guys go. We're going to get back to working on our hardwood floors, and we'll have some more additional video for you here pretty soon.